What is good, YouTube? Today we're going to be playing some Overwatch 2, but every time I die, we're going to eat toxic waste candy. So, let's see how it goes, and, hopefully I don't die too much. That's pretty much it, though. Let's get into it. Good stream. Let's get right into it. Warm up a little bit here. Be playing for a little bit. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Good chat. Hello. What is good? Alrighty then. So let's get right into it here. Who should we play? Who should we play? Who shall we play? We're gonna chop up some Widowmaker first. Let me just turn my volume on here. Hold up, chat.
You look like a gentleman who ate his
There we go,
own
chat.
toenails.
Why the hell would you say that to someone?
Boom, bada
Just
beam.
looking for something we might have in common.
So basically, the rules
Safety's
are
off.
every time I die, I have to eat a toxic waste. Those are the rules of the challenge. And let's get right into it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack commencing. Capture
we go,
objective
alright.
A. They outnumber us. Watch out. Smoky notes of poison. Stay alive.
I can't be missing shots like that. I have to switch roles here. Keep going. Yeah, that's a little close. Dude, where are these kids? I need to get killed. Do you have a heal on it? Uh-oh. Alright, you know what I'm gonna play? I'm going to play...
Breaking them down.
Roadhog it is. I'm about to crap on these kids.
Apocalypse ain't over.
Oh, I forgot. Every time I die, I gotta eat toxic waste. So, blue raspberry toxic waste.
Zenyatta is here.
We're outnumbered. Okay. A little sour. Oh man, that's sour. Oh, that's sour. Oh. Oh! Why did it feel? Oh my goodness. It's so sour. No, I was not ready for that. Oh my goodness. I am not gonna die again. Dude.
Let's take him to the
That was actually so sour. Why was that so sour? Holy crap, that was freaking insane, yo. That was so sour. Dude, I was not ready for that. Playing for a second, right? Completely forgot about the challenge. I put the sour candy in my mouth. The toxic waste was so sour. Oh, of course we lose. Of course we lose. What? Alright. Alright. That's right. Alright. My strategy here. Oh. Let's go. Yeah. What flavor toxic waste should I eat next? When I die. Go, buddy. Let's go. Alright, we're gonna put a little bit of roll Q. Alright, I think next I'm gonna do black cherry toxic waste. So this one's gonna be pretty bad.
Now entering King's Row.
So black cherry toxic waste. Here we go.
Prepare your defenses.
There's black cherry, lemon, lime, no apple, blue raspberry. What's the word, chat?
Apocalypse ain't over.
Alright.
Fruition.
That was actually so sour. When I eat it before in the sour candy challenge, it was not that sour. No, it was definitely sour. I'm not gonna say that. It was definitely sour. But I was not ready for that when I died. I put it on. I just like ate it immediately. That was like so much more sour than it was the first time I ate it.
I must learn how it works.
That was insane. I was not ready for that. That was like so sour. Black cherry. Wait, I don't die. If I die, I have to eat this.
3, 2, 1. Attackers.
If I don't die, chat. Here we go. If I die, I gotta eat the toxic waste. Alright. Here we go. Ooh, yeah. Oh no. No, this is not happening. That candy was way too sour. Way too sour. I'm not eating that again. Well, I mean, if I die, I have to eat it, but it's not happening. I'm not gonna die. Here we go. I've never seen that character before. Holy crap. I'm not eating the candy. No, back off. You're not going to kill me right now. Good thing I'm playing Roadhog because he has his own heal. Alright. Holy crap! No. I was about to say, what am I doing? It's probably gonna come damage. hits pretty well. Dude, I haven't died yet. Let's go. I don't even have to use sour candy. It's not happening, boys. Dude, I cannot eat sour candy right now. Do not want to eat another one. It's so bad. This is actually so sour. Toxic waste is insane. Oh! I know what I have to do, but I don't know if I have the strength to do it. Here we go. Black cherry. Toxic waste. It's going down. Okay, okay. Oh! Oh yeah. I don't know. That was pretty bad. That was pretty bad. I will say, not as bad as the blue raspberry, but that was pretty bad. Whatever the hell this flavor is. Yeah, blue raspberry. That was pretty bad. Like, really bad. Alright, what flavor should we do next? It's lemon, I'm actually like done, yeah. Lemon's like the worst one. Alright, now let's just try and go sweaty Overwatch so I don't die again. Holy crap. Alright, here we go. Extreme sour lemon toxic waste. Here we go. Uh-oh. Not good. Oh, dropped it here. Pick it up, chat. Alright. Do all of them say that? This one specifically, extreme sour? Okay, so this one specifically, I'm pretty sure. The extreme sour one. Lemon.
We're outnumbered.
Oh no.
The outcome is not preordained.
Boy. Right off the bat. Usually it takes a little long to get sour. Right off the bat, it's pretty sour. Not too bad yet. Not too bad. Sure, once I... Oh no. Guys, I'm about to put in other sour candy in my mouth that died very quickly. I swear, bro, that guy with the bow and arrow just killed me twice. Alright, so now we just had a regular toxic waste. Who up? Oh. I am not okay, yo.
Experience tranquility.
Guys, if we lose this right now, I'll eat 5. If we lose this right now, chat, I'll eat 5 toxic waste. No.
We didn't do too bad
All
for
right.
not having a tank.
Alright, chat. This guy's angry about me now. Playing good.
Play of the game.
Here we go, chat. We got lemon, apple, blue raspberry. Oh yeah, by the way, we've been playing bad so far. It's because, you know, the sour candy. Okay, we got all 4 flavors here. And that the toxic waste bag came with. And let's see this here. Let's see here. We got blue raspberry, lemon, and apple. Okay, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. But before you guys leave, remember to like and subscribe while I open these up. And you know, maybe leave a comment on what I should do next. And yeah, you know, turn on that noti button. Be ready for the next video. Almost done here. About to open the 4th one. Here we go. 3rd. Opening the 4th one. Alright, here we go. 4 toxic waste at the same time. Here we go, chat. W in the chat, W in the chat. Here we go. We're going. W in the chat. Alright, chat, here we go. Look at this, chat. I don't know if you can see that, chat. 4 of them, chat. We got 4. 4 candies. 4 candies, chat. 4. We got blue raspberry, lemon, apple, black cherry, all toxic waste here. And we are about to eat this, chat. Are you ready? Are you ready, chat? Here we go. And those of you watching on YouTube. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, boom. Alright, guys. That's a wrap. Alright, good video. Thumbs up. And subscribe. Peace out, guys. Holy crap.